Hey guys, today we'll be talking about the Nevado del Ruiz volcano in Bogota, Colombia. This is by William and Myers Martin. So a little background info. The volcano erupted on November 13th, 1985 in Bogota, Colombia. After a year of minor earthquakes and steam explosions, it finally erupted. Its summit is covered with ice and snow, hence the name Nevado, which means snow-capped. Ruiz began stirring again nearly a year prior to the 1985 eruption, with early activity marked by earthquakes and fulmuralic activity. In November of 1984, climbers reported gas coming out of the volcano, and in December, 3 earthquakes were felt within 20 to 30 kilometers of Ruiz. So the human impact of the event, mud flows towering over 30 meters swept through the countryside, several villages in the town of Armero, killing over 70% of the town's residents. Pictured here is the town of Armero in the aftermath of the mudslides. The mudslides, also known as lahars, killed more than 23,000 people. So the environmental impact. The lahars destroyed everything in their paths, such as roads, bridges, farm fields, and telephone lines. They wiped out 50 schools, 2 hospitals, and more than 5,000 homes. The region lost 60% of its livestock, 30% of grain and rice crops, and 500,000 of bags of coffee. About 7,500 people were left homeless. It mainly affected the region as it destroyed everything in its path. Volcanoes also released large amounts of particulate matter into the atmosphere, and mud flows that went into the towns are linked with the biosphere and geosphere. So a couple of facts learned from this project is that the U.S. Geological Survey and the U.S. Agency for International Development Office of U.S. Foreign Disaster Assistance came together to launch the International Volcano Disaster Assistance Program. This tracks and monitors the world's 1,550 potentially active volcanoes, and today this volcano is still active and one of the best monitored volcanoes in the world. And these are our sources. Thank you guys for listening.